It's March 26th. I'm here to continue with the demo. We so far spent about 2 days and just on demolition, not whole days, but this is how far we got in the kitchen. Just taking off the tiles and this wall and taking off the ceiling tiles in the living room. That's all we got so far. So my goal, at least for today, is to get the ceiling off in the dining room, which is tiles, which is the easy part. Then the straps, and underneath that we have plaster, which is going to be a huge mess. And the entire thing is going to be messy because there is mice poop all over the place in between layers. So sounds like fun. I did turn off all the electricity. I double checked, but we'll check again. There's a whole bunch of places you can turn off the electric. But as far as the main here is off, and even the bathroom is off. Probably would be much easier to do this one here. Except it's hard to open and it's just rusty. So anyway, I'm ready to roll. And I'm only gonna spend probably most 4 hours because it's exhausting. Not the demo itself, but cleaning up after it, it's ridiculously hard. I'm ready. I'm going to be getting up this chimney once the top is taken off on the roof. We're going to just work our way down. There's also a remainder of an old chimney on the other side, on the second and third floor. So they took it off of the first floor, and it's just sitting on the second floor right now. So that will come off because that will also give us a 4 square foot, at least 4 square foot of space on the wall. So obviously here they just wanted to cover up the mess of plaster here. So safety first. Yeah, definitely a good highway for mice to get around. What I'm going to do is just periodically clean up instead of waiting for the last to the end, because it's dangerous walking over these staples and everything. Nest. Yuck. I am now taking off the straps, and I think I'm going to be able to reuse this for strapping for the drywall, because they do come out in one piece mostly. We'll have to see how it goes. so hard to get off because trim is still there. It looks like an old wood. Maybe they took this up in the 70s? I don't know. There's a whole ceiling. Sitting in the drywall. So it looks like the outer walls down here at least. It's like drywall, and in the living room it's paneled. So we're gonna have to look at the insulation. And if we need to replace the insulation, we need to take these walls down as well. Where was I? This is not going to come off in one piece, huh? Oops. It's a big piece. This is we'll see if I can take these nails out. Not like this is expensive wood, but still, it's expensive. So took off the strapping of the kitchen and the light, and took off some of the trims, especially here at the door. This is the original color of the door. Looks like that's the original color of the kitchen, the yellow and then the green. So making progress. I am not gonna probably do the plaster today. I kind of cleaned up a little bit. I think the next thing I want to probably do is the dining room floor. Looks pretty good in my opinion, except in the corner there, but I'm gonna take up the staples around the perimeter where they used to have carpet, I think. And it's always intrigues me that this used to be a wall probably here based on the floor, and then the other walkway was probably always open, I don't know, or maybe there used to be a door here. Anyway, here's the original color again. Interesting. So that's what I'm gonna do, and maybe I'll go upstairs and pull some tiles there too, because that's fairly easy to do, ceiling tiles. Or not, or might I just continue with downstairs and again just focus on the floor. The living room floor is a little beat up, so that might have to be replaced. And it's kind of weird because there are some really narrow pieces. It looks like may have been just put down, so they were always planning to have carpet here. However, the dining room seems to be nicer. I don't know, maybe they just haven't used that as much. So I've been doing this for almost 3 hours, so my plan was to only do 4 hours of work today, so that's why I'm just doing the 4 for now. See you next time!